Rivian R1T gets 314 miles of range, but not with the biggest battery. There's still an even larger capacity battery pack for those who need more mileage. That's decent.
That's pretty good,
Yeah,
right?
that's pretty good.
So it's official.
The R1T is quoted at 314 on a charge according to the EPA. And by the way, the EPA is pretty intense scrutiny there. So it's like not the manufacturer saying it, the EPA is saying it. Whereas the R1S sits at 316 miles. That's the large 135 kilowatt hour battery pack and 21-inch wheels. Still, about 315 miles from the mid-grade option is not bad at all. So I'm confused here. There will be however, that's not the largest one that they'll sell. There'll be a smaller capacity option targeting 230. Oh, max pack is what I want. 400 miles. But it will cost 10 G's more. 400 miles. Can you do 400 miles to KM for me real quick? I have to get this. I have to get this truck.
That's insane.
I have to get that truck.
The Rivian?
Yeah, why don't they give where are those trucks at?
The maxed out Rivian?
Can you go to their website? Can I get it right now or no? When do they say I would get it? I need a max R1T. I'm not getting it anytime soon. This stuff just takes forever. I like this truck. It's fine.
2022? Late?
Late. Okay. And a little bit pricey too. So we're back in Cybertruck land, and then it all gets complicated. I was hoping it could be soon. What a race they're having. What a race there is that's out there to get this electric truck on the market between Ford and Rivian and Tesla and whatever other ones I'm missing. GM, because they got the electric Hummer as well. By the way, why haven't we had that electric Hummer in the studio? Do you know? Because I see
Are they available?
I don't know. I see it all over the place.
The electric?
Yeah. And then I was shooting the thing for the Cadillac the other day.
Yeah.
And I'm like, okay, we know people over there.
Oh.
Just feel like we should get that Hummer over in the studio. Be cool to check it out. Anyway, whatever.
Yeah.
It's neither here nor there.
Yeah.